Welcome to the Thrifty Tips Podcast, where we dive deep into all things budget-friendly.
And today is going to be a super fun one.
We always get questions about home decor and how to make it look amazing without spending a fortune.
And you know me, I love a good challenge, so we're going to tackle this head on.
We're going deep on dollar store decor.
The dollar store decor, really?
Yeah. The secret is, it doesn't have to be tacky.
Okay, I'm intrigued.
The dollar store can be a gold mine for DIY decor if you know what to look for.
I'm all ears. Tell me more.
First off, variety. You can find almost anything there, from vases and frames to baskets and candles.
True. And let's not forget the price tag. Dollar stores are the kings and queens of affordability.
You can really experiment and try different things without worrying about breaking the bank.
That's a great point. It takes the pressure off, right? You're more free to be creative and try out different ideas.
Exactly. And speaking of creativity, that's where the real magic happens.
Okay, so how do we transform those dollar store finds into something truly stylish? Spill the secrets.
It's all about repurposing and thinking outside the box. You can paint, embellish, combine. The possibilities are endless.
I love that.
Yeah.
It's like giving those items a whole new life, a glow up, if you will.
Absolutely. So let's start with the basics. Wall decor, every room needs it. But art can be expensive. What can we do with dollar store finds?
All right, one of my favorite things to do is to create a gallery wall using dollar store frames.
Oh yeah, gallery walls are always so chic.
You can get a bunch of different sizes and styles.
Mix and match.
Exactly. Then you can paint them all the same color for a cohesive look.
That's a good tip. And what about what goes in the frames?
Well, obviously you can put pictures in them, but you can also think outside the box.
I like where this is going.
Try framing pieces of fabric, wallpaper samples, or even pressed leaves.
I've never thought about that before.
It adds a unique and personal touch.
And it's so budget-friendly.
Speaking of budget-friendly, let's not forget about storage.
Yes, storage.
Yeah.
The never-ending battle.
But you know what? Dollar stores are a haven for storage solutions. Think bins, baskets, containers galore.
But they can be a bit, well, plain.
That's where the fun begins.
Yeah.
You can give those storage pieces a makeover with adhesive paper, fabric, or a coat of spray paint.
Ooh, I love the fabric idea. Adds a touch of warmth.
And don't underestimate the power of a good label. A clear, stylish label can make all the difference in keeping everything organized and looking chic.
Labels are lifesavers, truly.
And while we're on the topic of transforming everyday items, did you know you can even upcycle furniture using dollar store finds?
Tell me more.
You can use those sturdy plastic crates to build a modular bookshelf or a side table. Just stack them up, secure them together, and boom, instant customizable storage.
So smart. I never would have thought of that.
Or how about this? Turn a plain wooden stool into a chic side table by simply adding a decorative tray from the dollar store to the top. Instant glam.
If you're enjoying all these tips, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future episodes. Now, let's talk ambiance, and by ambiance, I mean lighting.
Lighting is key. It can totally change the mood of a room.
And you'd be surprised what you can find at the dollar store in terms of lighting.
Right. They often have surprisingly stylish lanterns, string lights, even simple lampshades that you can personalize with a little DIY magic.
DIY magic, love it. What kind of magic are we talking about?
One project I absolutely adore is creating a pendant light using a wire basket from the dollar store. Just add a light kit, a bulb, and you've got a unique, affordable statement piece.
Sounds amazing. I can picture it now.
And easy to do.
Gotta love that. Speaking of easy to do, we can't forget about greenery. A little bit of green can really bring a space to life.
Absolutely. Plants add such vibrancy and freshness to any room.
But real plants can be a bit, high maintenance and pricey.
I hear ya. Faux plants are your best friend here. The key is to choose ones that look realistic and arrange them in a way that feels natural.
Gotcha. Any tips for making those faux plants look extra fabulous?
Mix and match different types of plants and textures. And here's a pro tip. Add a few real branches or dried flowers to your faux arrangements. It gives them more depth and a natural layered look.
So clever. I'm taking notes over here. Okay, last but not least, let's talk personalization.
The finishing touches. The details that truly make a house a home.
Exactly. What are your favorite dollar store hacks for adding those special touches?
One of my go-to tricks is to customize plain throw pillows or blankets. You can use fabric paint or iron-on transfers. Dollar stores have some surprisingly cute options.
You can really let your creativity run wild.
Absolutely. And don't forget about stencils and stamps. You can use those to create unique designs on pillows, blankets, picture frames, storage containers, even everyday items like soap dispensers.
So many possibilities. You've given us so many amazing ideas today. And for our listeners out there, be sure to like and subscribe for more thrifty tips and tricks.
We release new episodes every week, so hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out.
So as we wrap up our deep dive into dollar store decor, what's the key takeaway here?
I think the biggest thing is that you don't have to spend a fortune to create a stylish and inviting home.
You can achieve amazing results on a budget with a little creativity and resourcefulness.
And don't be afraid to have fun with it. Embrace the challenge, think outside the box, and let your personality shine through.
Well said. Thanks for listening to the Thrifty Tips Podcast.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Until next time, happy decorating.